how to fix no volume issue in Roblox games. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can fix the no volume issue or problem in Roblox. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open or launch your Roblox application, and once your Roblox application successfully launches, you will need to click onto this more option at the bottom right. Once you have clicked here, simply scroll down and go to settings. Now under settings, you can see from this particular menu the last option, that is the device preferences. So simply click onto this, and from here scroll down and you will see the volume option. So make sure that this volume option is set to full or at least 10, and if this is set to anywhere near 0, then you need to simply make sure that it is around 10. This will control the overall sound level of Roblox, including menu effects, experience sound, and voice chat as well. So many players tend to have accidentally keep it at a lower percentage, which results in this particular issue. Apart from that, you can also try out clearing the cache and also reinstalling the game as well to solve this issue. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.